Let's calculate it for step 3. Step 2 is over. Step 2 is a shear force calculation, and step 3 is for a bending moment diagram calculation. Clear? So for that you need to take the sign convention. This upward, this one is as a positive, and opposite of this one is a negative. Now in these, I'm not going to give you advice that you always have to make the calculation from left to right. Which place, whichever is a nearer place, from that you can do the calculation. But because over here a graphical representation shows that both are on upward sides, so that will be a positive, so it will not create a confusion. So this is just a graphical representation. You have to compare it with your graphical representations, and then definitely you will not get any kind of the problem. So let's do the calculation. In this also I have given you one advice that whenever internal moment is there, like shear force, whenever internal moment is there, so for that you need to calculate from the left hand side as well as right hand side of this section. Clear? Now over here there is no internal moment, so that's why I need not required to do left and right side of that particular section. So let's start from shear bending moment at A point. So what you have to do is you have to put your thumb at A and finger from left to right. So now I'm going to put my thumb over here and try to look on the left hand side of this section of this point. So there is no force, that's why bending moment at A is equals to 0. Same way bending moment at B, let's try to calculate from the right hand side. So at B, put your thumb at B and try to calculate from the right hand side. So there is no force on the right hand side of this B, that's why bending moment at B is also 0. We will do the calculation from left hand side also, and we will check, cross verify this value. Now bending moment at C. Now what you have to do, you have to put your thumb over here and finger from A to C. You have to start walking from A to C. Clear? So anybody can anybody give me the answer? Just give me the answer, please, quick. Video is right now recording is there, so please try to give the answer very quickly, so it will save some time. Bending moment at C, give me the answer. Bending moment at C. Quick yaar. You are over here, you need to use force
80.
into distance. Very good. 80 into
2.
very good, 2. 80 into 2, and this is matching with your section is over here, and it will rotate like this. So this is matching with positive sign, so this one is your positive. Clear? Chalo, next what you can see, UDL. Okay, what is the sign? Minus, because it will, your section is over here and UDL is like acting on downward direction, so you have to rotate in this direction, so it is minus. So minus, now give me the answer quick.
10 into 2 into 1.
10 into 2 into 1. Excellent. You must have to use this 1. ભલે 1 છે અને 1 મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ છીએ, ફરક નહીં પડે, પણ આ પેટર્ન કરશો તો ભૂલ નહીં પડે. Clear? So 10 into 2 into 1. So what is your, and then is there any another force? Yes, 80 is there, but distance is 0. So need not required to use. Now give me the answer. What should be the answer?
140.
Your answer, bending moment at C is 140. Bending moment at C is 140 kilonewton into meter. So at A location, your bending moment is 0. So I'm going to draw it with blue pen. This one is 0. This one is also 0. And at C point, my answer is 140. So somewhere is like this. Now you need to draw with this one parabolic curve. We are drawing the bending moment diagram on the opposite side. So generally how you can judge this, you have to find out the value at each and every location, and you have to connect these. So definitely it will connect in this parabolic second degree parabola curve. But for your reference, if you take one, આપણે કપડા સુકવવાનો તાર લઈએ અને એના ઉપર કપડા સુકવીએ તો આ કેવી રીતે બેન્ડ થાય છે? I have told you previously, like this it will bend like this. Clear? So right now we are drawing opposite of this, so opposite of this diagram it will look like this. Clear? So that's why you can compare it with this, and your diagram is look like this is just for your reference. Otherwise what you can do, you can take at every location of this AC beam and you can find out the value, and then you can join this, then it will be a parabolic shape. Sure. Next is what you can do is shear. Yes.
Sir, UDL માં parabolic shape જ આવશે?
Yes. Now next is bending moment at C, D, bending moment at D. Now you have to put your thumb over here. Now let's calculate from this side and we will also calculate from this side also. Whichever તમને actually કઈ બાજુથી નજીક પડશે, બી બાજુથી નજીક પડશે. અહીંયાથી બહુ લાંબુ પડશે ને વધારે લોડ કન્સિડર કરવા પડશે. સો બેટર છે કે શોર્ટર સાઈડ ઉપર જાઓ. હું શિયર ફોર્સ ડાયાગ્રામના તમને એડવાઇસ નહીં આપું, પણ બેન્ડિંગ મોમેન્ટમાં તમને બહુ કન્ફ્યુઝન નહીં થાય. ક્લિયર? બટ લેટ્સ ડુ ઇટ ફ્રોમ બોથ ઓફ ધી સાઇડ. So let's calculate from this side first of all. Can anybody help me to find out the value? Just give me the answer.
60.
I want to calculate it from this side, dear.
The left to right.
Yes. We have to calculate from this. Give me the answer. Dear, you have to put your thumb over here and finger over here and just start calculating. Why are you thinking?
80.
Yes, very good. 80. બોલશો તો જ તમને આવડશે. 80 into 3. Yes, 3, because you are over here and load is located over here. So why you are taking 2? 2 plus 1, 3. Simple. This is just the thumb rule. Okay, 80 into 3. Don't worry. This one is a like this. So plus sign. Then minus. Now this one is a very important. Please try. Very important. Now give me the answer. Pardon?
60.
60 from where you are getting. There is too much noise. Please mute your side. Okay. Give me the answer, please. Anyone? Quick. Recording is there. So give me the answer. 13 number is there? 13 number, 13 number is there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now just give me the answer. Next step is try to solve. Definitely, I know you know the answer. I don't know why you have so much fear. Please give me the answer.
Sir.
Don't worry. This is not examination. Yes,
Sir,
pardon.
I'm not feeling well.
Oh, okay. Anyone else want to give the answer? તમે ટ્રાય કરશો તો તમારી ભૂલ પકડાશે અને I can give the answer. I can solve your doubt. So 25 number.
10
This
into 2.
Excellent. 10 into
2
2 into
into 1.
1. So now this is the matter of learning. So please listen carefully.
220.
Listen carefully. This is wrong. Why? So you are over here and you have to find out first of all force. So you have perfectly done. Calculate the force. That is 10 into 2. This one is a perfect. 10 into 2. Clear? Now you need to multiply it with distance. So you are here and this 10 into 2 is acting at the mid span of this 2 meter. Clear? So what is the distance between this and this? 2. Clear? So this is your mistake. So this answer is 2. Now are you getting my point? 10 into 2
Yes,
and
sir.
this into 2 is there. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Then additional anything?
Yes.
Can you see? You are over here now. Can you see anything else?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What you can see?
40 into 3.
No.
Plus-
Why 40? You are over here only. So you cannot see 40.
Sir, 80 આવશે.
Yes, 80 આવશે. Minus 80 into what is the distance?
1.
1. Very good. And then 40.
One.
Can you see 40? Definitely you can see the 40, but your distance is
2. 0.
0 here. Why 2? 0. Why 2? You are over here. I am again and again I am telling you that you have to put your thumb at D location. So the distance is 0 only. That's why we are not taking this same point. Clear? So don't worry. After a few examples, you will get this answer. So give me the answer. Please solve it and give me the answer.
120.
120.
Yes,
Sir,
your
120.
answer is 120. 120 is your answer. So 120 is somewhere over here because this one is your 140 and this one is your 120. That's why you need to join this straight line. UDL, અહીંયા UDL નથી, point load જ છે. So this one is your straight line. Clear? So this one is your straight line. Now this is your 120. Now this is your 0. You directly connect this to this 0. Now this is your perfectly bending moment diagram. But let's calculate from this end. Bending moment at D from this side. From this side, let's calculate it from this side. So I'm going to make this or like this. So what you can see? Now you are over here. Now what you can see? From this side you need to calculate. Give me the answer.
60.
Yes, 60 into 2. Simple. And how it can be seen like this. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so it will
Yes,
matching
sir.
with
Sir,
this.
positive.
So that's why it's positive. So this is your 120. So in this you can do the calculation wherever nearer place is there. From that you need to calculate. So this answer is 120. Again, this is a 0. Now let's calculate for bending moment at B. Clear? Again, I'm going to make the bending moment at B from this side. From this side. Clear? Now who will help me? Who will give me the answer? Chalo, quickly mane koi answer aapse. Yes, 80 into
5.
very good. 80
Five.
into 5 બસ તું જ આન્સર આપજે એટલે કન્ફ્યુઝ ના થવાય. This one is a plus. Then
10
Minus.
into 2.
10 into minus 10 into 2 into distance is
4.
excellent job dear, excellent job. 4 minus
80.
80 into
3
very good 3 minus
minus 40 into 1.
you are over here dear. 14 to 2. Now give me the answer. Give me the answer. Quick. કેટલો આન્સર આવે છે? 80.
Yes, sir.
Zero.
0. Clear? So look at
Sorry,
this.
sorry,
Answer is 0. Look at this. Answer is 0. So matching થઈ જાય છે. So this is just for your reference only.